Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Wish you a very good morning to all. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great by the blessing of Allah. And Alhamdulillah, I am also fit and fine. Today I am going to take your ICT class. Before starting our today's class, let me introduce myself with you. My name is Rokaya Banu Pushpa. I am your ICT teacher from English Medium Senior Section Sector 7, Uttara, Dhaka. So dear students, let's start our today's class. My dear students, welcome to my ICT class, that is Information, Communication and Technology. My dear students, today I am going to take the class of class 6 and we are going to see chapter 4. My dear students, our CW number is 16. Don't forget to write our classwork number, that is 16. And our chapter name is Word Processing. And from page 55 to 63, you can see this one. And our lesson is 1 to 28. That means we are going to see all the lesson from chapter 4. So my dear students, let's start our today's class. Chapter 4, Word Processing. My dear students, here we are going to start from lesson 1 of chapter 4. So what can you see here? Here you are watching some pictures. From the pictures you understand that first of all we are going to know about word processor. Right you are. As we have already read about this in our previous class, now we will know more details about it. So word processor, tell me about it. I guess everybody can tell. Actually, it is an application package which processes text as a dedicated program, as like as Microsoft Word. Not only that, it also works as part of an integrated package, as like as Microsoft Office or OpenOffice, the most popular computer application. So dear students, what is word processor? A word processor is a device or computer program that provides for input, editing, formatting, and output of text, often with some additional features. Early word processors were stand-alone devices dedicated to the function, but current word processors are word processor programs running on general-purpose computers. So my dear students, what can you see in the image? Yes, I guess that you understand. This is about word processor. Here red sign indicates cursor, ribbon, horizontal ruler, ribbon tabs, title bar, quick access toolbar. So it's all about word processor. My dear students, word processor, also known as a document preparation system, and it is a program where you can type and print documents. Not only that, it has replaced the old typewriter. My dear students, so let's see some features of word processor. First of all, grammar check. This feature works by highlighting sentences with grammatical errors. For example, I seen everyone coming along. Then, standard paragraph. A standard paragraph is a piece of text that has been typed up, saved to backing storage and inserted into a document a number of times. Now, my dear students, let's start lesson 2. Now you will see the importance of word processing. So, what are the importance of word processor in ICT? First one, the production of typewritten documents such as business letters with automated and usually computerized typing and text editing equipment. Second one, operation by which written, verbal or recorded information is transformed into typewritten or printed form. A word processing system can produce a wide variety of documents, including letters, memoranda, and manuals rapidly and at a relatively low cost. That means word processor program or set of programs used to enter, edit, format, store, and print documents. A document may be anything from a simple memo to a complete book. Word processors have several important features: spelling and grammar checker. Each word in a document can be checked against words held in the package's dictionary. Automatic creation of index and table of contents. Any word in the text can be marked for inclusion in an index, which can be updated at any time. Import files, tables, photographs, graphics, and even video and sound files can be imported from other sources and inserted in a document. So my dear students, let's see the advantages of word processor. First of all, it is faster and easier than writing by hand. Then you can store documents on your computer, which you cannot do on a typewriter. Number 3, you can review and rewrite your documents. Number 4, there are more formatting choices with a word processor, like the spelling, grammar, and the language tools. Number 5, you can print copies of your documents. So my dear students, the features and capabilities of word processing are WYSYNG editing. Number 3, storing documents for later use. Number 4, erasing and inserting text. Number 5, searching and replacing word. Number 6, moving or copying text. Number 7, wrapping lines and justifying text. Number 9, checking and recorrecting spelling. Number 11, reviewing style and grammar. Number 11, creating tables. 12, inserting and editing graphics. 13, tracking changes. So my dear students, what are the advantages of word processing programs for students? User-friendly for students who find language problematic. Then, when you make a mistake, you do not need to use whiteout or start a new piece of paper when we used typewriters. Those were the options. It saves time and also reliable. Now, dear students, let's start lesson 3 to 28, and it's about opening a new file and writing it by using word processor. So here you can see an image which indicates by the red line that which one is rulers, which one is tabs, active tab, document area, view button, zoom slider. Here is another picture where you can understand what is the points and buttons of word processor. By using these things, you can work with this. So, what can we say? We can say a word processor is a device or computer program that provides for input, editing, formatting, and output of text, often with some additional features. And word processor were stand-alone devices dedicated to the function, but current word processors are word processor programs running on general purpose computers. So, what can you see here? From this image, you can understand the whole work of word processing. First of all, you can see create, after that edit, then we'll save it, After that, you can review the preview before printing, and then you can print it. Again, you can create. So this is the circle of word processing. Now, my dear students, you can see here the page of Microsoft Word. And Microsoft Word is a writing app that helps you to transform documents into web pages. It offers a real-time translation facility with just one tap. And this program enables you to read and edit documents attached to the mail. And it provides templates for resumes and forms. You can read documents, PDF letters, and scripts on your mobile device. It enables you to save a document as a PDF file. So share your file with others with a few steps and support editing with rich formatting. Manage permission for documents. You can comment in the documents. Then Google Doc. So Google Doc is also an online application that helps you to format text and photographs. It contains numerous fonts and images. My dear students, I hope you have understand our today's lesson properly. So now I will show you an interesting video about our today's topic. So dear students, let's enjoy the video.
That performs the task of composing, editing, formatting, and printing of documents. Microsoft Word is a word processing software. It is also called MS Word in short. The main purpose of the MS Word is to allow the users to type, edit, format, save, print, and compose documents. MS Word is considered as the most widely used word processing software in the world. Open MS Word. To open the MS Word, follow the steps. Click on Start button. Click on All apps. Click on Microsoft Office. Choose Microsoft Word 2010 from the Microsoft Office menu. MS Word screen. The following graphic illustrates very clearly the elements of Word 2010. Title bar, minimize, maximize, close, ribbon, ruler, scroll bar, previous page, next page, zoom, print layout, status bar, dialog box, cursor, menu bar, quick access toolbar. Components of word processor window. Quick access toolbar contains buttons that perform common actions such as saving a document, undoing your last action, or repeating your last action. Title bar shows the program and document titles. Ribbon contains commands organized in 3 components: tabs, groups, and commands. Dialog box launcher appears in the lower left corner of the MS Word window or lower right corner of many groups on the ribbon. Clicking this button opens a dialog box or task pane that provides more options. Work area, the area where you type. The flashing vertical line called the insertion point represents the location where text will appear when you type. Scroll bar. It enables viewing of continuous text, pictures, etc. even if does not fit into the space of the computer display window. It allows you to reposition the document window vertically. Drag the scroll box within the scroll bar or click the scroll bar arrows. Create and save a file in MS Word. Type your document. Click the File tab and select the Save As command. The Save As dialog box appears, or press Ctrl+S. Choose a location for your file. Type a name for your document in the File Name text box. Click the Save button. Your document will be saved. No more. Microsoft Word 2016 is the latest version of Microsoft Word.
We use the software Paint to draw and paint on the computer. In the same way, we use Word to write text on the computer. You already know how to write in your notebook. Now, learn to make your notes on the computer. In computers, we type using the keyboard rather than writing on paper. You can type your notes as well as questions and answers in MS Word. You can prepare a list of phone numbers of your friends. You can also type letters and messages. Each of these are called documents. Caution: never use duplicate or pirated software. Use original software only. What is MS Word? MS Word is an application software used for word processing. A company called Microsoft has made the program MS Word. That is why it is called Microsoft Word or MS Word. Microsoft Word 2010 is a part of Microsoft Office 2010, which is a group of application software that are generally required in an office. Word processing means typing, editing, and formatting text. Word processor is a software that allows you to produce documents quickly and efficiently by providing the user features like typing, editing, formatting, and checking spellings and grammar. Features of MS Word. It provides editing and formatting features that make it easy to produce personal and business letters, reports and manuals, newsletters and brochures. It provides ready-to-use graphics called clip art, which can be inserted in the text as required. It allows you to make changes in a document by adding, deleting, and moving text from one location to another. It allows you to cancel the changes if you do not like them. It offers many formatting features that allows you to change the appearance of pages, paragraphs, and characters. A spell check feature allows you to find and correct spelling mistakes in the typed text. A grammar check improves the accuracy of sentences in a document. It can print the document as many times as you want. It allows you to preview the print document, which means to see how it will look like after printing. Starting MS Word. To open MS Word, follow these steps. Click on Start. Click on All Apps. Choose Microsoft Office. A list of programs appears that are part of MS Office. Click on Microsoft Word 2010, version 2010 or above. To create a shortcut of MS Word, drag and drop the icon on the desktop. Next time, just double-click the icon to open MS Word. When you first start Microsoft Word 2010, you may be surprised by what you see. The menus and toolbars in some earlier versions of programs have been replaced with the ribbon. Word opens a blank document with the temporary name Document 1 in a new window. The Word window. There are 6 important parts of the Word window: Title bar, the File tab, Document area, the Quick Access toolbar, the ribbon, Status bar. Title bar. The bar at the top is called Title bar. It displays the name of application, for example Microsoft Word, and the name of current document. There are 3 buttons at the right side of the title bar, named Minimize, Restore, and Close. The Quick Access toolbar. The Quick Access toolbar is located at the upper left corner of the title bar, next to the Microsoft Word icon. It contains a set of commands that are independent of the tab that is currently displayed. You can add buttons that represent commands to the Quick Access toolbar. The File tab. The new design in Microsoft Office 2010 includes the File tab, replacing the Microsoft Office button included in Microsoft Office 2007. When you click the File tab, you will see the same basic commands available in earlier releases of Microsoft Office, such as to open, save, print, etc. The ribbon. The ribbon includes the toolbars and menus. It is designed to help you quickly find the commands that you need to complete a task. Commands are organized in logical groups, which are collected together under tabs. Each tab menu relates to a type of activity, such as writing or laying out a page. To reduce clutter, some tabs are shown only when needed. For example, the Picture Tools tab is shown only when a picture is selected. In the beginning, Home tab is selected that displays the most commonly used commands while typing the text and formatting it. If you select Insert tab, it starts displaying other tools that are related to insert picture, clip art, table, shapes, chart, or other things. Minimize the ribbon. There is no way to delete or replace the ribbon with the toolbars and menus from the earlier versions of Microsoft Office. However, you can minimize the ribbon to make more space available on your screen. When the ribbon is minimized, you see only the tabs. Always keep the ribbon minimized. Steps to minimize the ribbon. Click on Minimize the Ribbon button beside the Microsoft Word Help button on the upper right side or press Ctrl plus F1. To use the ribbon while it is minimized, click the tab you want to use and then click the option or command you want to use. For example, with the ribbon minimized, you can select text in your Microsoft Office Word document, click the Home tab, and then in the font group, click the size of the text you want. After you clicked the text size you want, the ribbon goes back to being minimized. Document area. The area where we type our document is called the document area. There is a ruler on the top and left side of the document area that shows page measurement, tab setting, and indentation of paragraphs. The small vertical line blinking on the document area is known as cursor or insertion point. The cursor indicates the position where the next typed character will appear or inserted. As you start typing, the cursor moves towards right automatically. There are vertical and horizontal scroll bar on the right and bottom side of the document area. You can move right, left, up and down with the help of these scroll bars to see the text that do not fit on the screen and therefore not visible. You can also reduce or enlarge the document area using the zoom tool on the right side of the status bar at the bottom of the screen. Status bar. The status bar is at the bottom of the screen. It gives information about total number of pages in the document, current page number, line number, column number, etc. Creating a new document. Open the application MS Word. Take the mouse pointer to the File tab and click. Click on New from the drop-down menu. Select the blank document option. Click on Create button. You will see a blank document on the screen with a blinking cursor in the document area. You can start typing your document now. MS Word automatically moves the words to the next line that do not fit in the current line. This feature of Word is known as word wrap. So, you can keep typing without worrying about how much text fits in a line. Press Enter key only at the end of the paragraph. Alphabets appear in lowercase when you simply press them on the keyboard. To type the first letter of a sentence in uppercase, press the Shift key and hold it down. Then press the letter and release the Shift key. The typed letter will appear in uppercase or capital. Saving a document. You must save your document and give it a name before closing MS Word. Steps to save a document are as follows. On the Quick Access toolbar, click Save or press Ctrl plus S or click on File tab and then click Save option. Type a name for the document and then click Save in the Save As dialog box. Word saves the document in a default location, that is, Documents Library. However, you can change the location if you want. Closing the document. Click on File tab and then Exit option. If you try to close any document without saving, you will get the following message in a dialog box. To save, click on Save. If you do not want to save, click on Don't Save. If you want to continue typing, click on Cancel. Open a saved document. You can open any saved document to view it or make corrections into it. You may like to print any document to produce a hard copy. The steps to open a document are given below. Click the File tab and then click Open, or press Ctrl+O. It displays the Open dialog box. The Open dialog box will appear. Select your document by clicking on its name and click on Open button or double-click on document name. The file or document will be opened and the name will be displayed on the title bar. You can view the contents in the document area and make corrections if you want. The computer stores the work of many students. Therefore, you should be careful not to disturb files that belong to others. Correcting mistakes. Open the saved document. Take the cursor to the place where the correction is to be done by using mouse pointer and click at that place. You can use arrow keys also, left, right, up and down. Use delete or backspace key to delete what you want to delete. Type the word you want to insert at the insertion point or cursor. The text to the right of the cursor will shift and give space to the new word typed. You must save the document again after you finish correcting mistakes. To recheck, open the saved document again and see the place where the correction was made. It will show the corrected text. Printing a document. Open Document. Click on the File tab. Click on Print on the drop-down menu. Select the printer. Click on Print button. One copy of the document will be printed. You can also go to the Print menu by the shortcut keys Ctrl+P. Before giving print command, your printer should be on and in ready mode. You can specify the number of copies to print or just the current page or range of pages. Shortcut keys. Open a new document. Ctrl+N. Open a saved document. Ctrl+O. Save a document. Ctrl+S. Close a document. Ctrl+W. Print a document. Ctrl+P. Exit Word. Alt+F4.
My dear students, I hope you have understand our today's lesson properly. So now I will show you an interesting video about our today's topic. So dear students, let's enjoy the video. So my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed the video. So now let's see the summary from our today's lesson. That means what we have learned from our today's lesson. We have learned so many things from our today's lesson. First of all, we have learned about word processor, then the processing of word processor, the features of word processor, and last but not the least, the importance of word processor in ICT. So let's see the main points from our today's lesson, word processing. Word processing is the production of documents as letters, memos, reports. Then text produced using a word processing package can be exported into other applications as desktop, publishing, package, web page. Then, last but not the least, an important aspect of producing a document using word processing is the page layout or format that is used, as this should always be appropriate to the document audience. Now, dear students, this is feedback time. What is word processor? I know that you already learned about this because today is the third class of this word processor. Word processor is a computer program which is used to write and revise documents, compose the layout of the text, and preview on a computer monitor how the printed copy will appear. Then, what is the importance of word processor? The main importance is that a preparation of textual documents on a computer and electronic text can be moved around at will it seem. Then, my dear student, this is the time for related questions. So, write it down. First of all, number 1, what is word processor? Number 2, write down the importance of word processor in ICT. Number 3, what is the function of shift key? Number 4, function of spacebar, enter, delete, backspace. So my dear students, from our today's class, there is a homework and this is for learn and write. Learn and write related question 3 and 4 from CW16. That means from our today's lesson, learn and write related question 3 and 4. Thank you all. My dear students, I hope you all have understand our today's lesson properly, and also you have enjoyed our today's video. Dear students, thank you all for your nice cooperation. Stay safe at your home and take care of yourself. Bye-bye.